recently, like 2 days ago, there was a huge storm and my chicken coop is a little wet now because it kind of flooded down here. So I'm gonna clean it out, and it was really bad wind, so it took our greenhouse out, and we're gonna be cleaning that up too. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning out our coop. We have a raised garden and we're gonna be putting all the manure in there because next year we have to get more soil anyway to put on top. So this is what I got out of the coop so far. It's just a small wheelbarrow. There's still fresh shavings mixed in, but they're going to be going into this garden, and we have to rip up the old tomatoes that's in here, which there's a few, and I'll get into that. Hey guys, so we're back. We just did all of this on the garden, and we're still gonna do that in there. Take the fences out and stuff. But right So I just got finished rolling up the fence neatly, and we're gonna go back to the coop. So just finished cleaning out the coop, and I'm gonna put shavings down. So we still have to clean up the little bit of extra dirt on the floor. When I turn around the camera, the audio gets off, so I kind of have to show you from here. But here are the results. Still a little bit more work to do. I'm not sure how well you guys can see this. And we like to take advantage of a day like this because winter's coming and it's still pretty cold out. I mean, we're moving around a lot, and I wear my snow suit because I don't want to get my clothes all nasty. And we got like half a wheelbarrow more, and we're putting rabbit manure in the garden as well, just to put extra stuff into the ground for the next year's garden. So I will show you guys us putting the shavings in. So yeah. I have ducks that are up to 10 years old. Shocking, but then it's over. Two little females. I have a lavender and a black and white one with a broken leg. She actually broke it when she was a baby, and she was pretty bad. We didn't think she would make it, but she did. So I will see you all next video. If not, I am sorry, because I can get somewhat busy. But anyway.